Oh, you're sure jumping pretty good there, huh? You're sure jumping good. All right, so today we are gonna do more of our Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, right? And we gotta go find our elf.
Yep.
Okay, now, guys, Travis already found his elf, so he kind of moved some things, but there were some stuffed animals that were watching our elf. Let's go show you what the elf was doing. Let's go. We gotta show him the elf. We gotta show him our Advent Calendar. Okay. All right, so right here. Okay. So there was another note. And this note said, let's see, what did it say? It said, "Come fly with me. Let's have some fun." And it had a remote control with it.
Yeah.
This remote is for our ceiling fan. Let's go show him. All right, first off, I'm gonna put that down here. Okay, so what is going on with the ceiling fan?
The elf light up there.
Let's see this. Hold on. Lollipop, what are you doing up there? What are you doing up there, Lollipop?
Well, that's kind of silly.
That is kind of silly.
How did Lollipop get up there?
I don't know.
I'll try and swivel, jump up there.
Can you jump all that way?
Yeah.
Whoa! Couldn't do it, huh? That's way.
I think I might.
All right, so Lollipop is way up there, and okay, guys, I don't know if you can see how high that is. I can't reach that. Even standing on a chair, that's so high up there.
Me too.
So,
I can't reach.
Yeah, that's really high up there, huh? They're all scooched back so you can get a bigger. It's way up there. So we got this remote, and this does the light. And the ceiling fan, there's low, medium, and high to turn it on so it spins. And we're not gonna do that yet. We're gonna do our Advent Calendar, and then we're gonna put a Lollipop on a ride, and we're gonna go fast. All right, Travis. So we got our Advent Calendar ready?
Yep.
Okay. Now, guys, I don't think you've seen them all, so we're gonna show you the rest of these. I think the last one you guys saw was number 4, and that's up here. The Republic fighter tank.
Yeah, and when you flip it like this can also be like a snowman.
A snow mower. All right. And now let's show you 5. Number 5 is here. But this one, this guy is a assassin droid called IG-88, I think. He's got a big gun there. It's pretty cool. That was number 5, and now I'll show you number 6. This is a little thing from Cloud City. This is one of their little like patrol ships, and you can fly around, and this is a part of Cloud City.
Ooh.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah,
right?
I'll try flying it around.
All right, you try flying that one around. That was pretty cool, huh? All right. And now number 7. Number 7's really cool. If I can get him out. Phew. Okay.
So number 7 is so cool.
This is the Naboo Starfighter.
And that's even cooler than this flying stuff.
Yeah, that one is pretty cool. That's just like Anakin flies one of those in Star Wars: The Phantom Menace.
Yep, and look at this.
Which one of these is your favorite one, Travis?
Oh. So people, each get 2 favorites. My favorites are this one and this one.
Those are your two favorites? That's pretty cool. I would say this one's mine. Alright.
And this one is your favorite one.
Today's the 8th, so we gotta show you number 8. And I think I see it right over here. So let's...
Cloud City.
Ooh. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Hello? Roger, roger. Roger, roger. Alright, so today was a battle droid. And battle droids are really cool. You can't have too many of them. So we'll add him to our battle droid army. Roger, roger. That's pretty cool, huh? Alright, so this isn't all of them, but this is most of them. In the last few days.
Most of the machines and
battle
stuff.
Droid. Ship. Battle droid. Oh, the assassin droid, battle droid, Republic fighter tank, Cloud City.
And
right. That's pretty good, right?
And don't forget the other ones.
The other ones, yep. The other ones from the first few days. The land speeder. Hey, Travis.
What?
Are you ready to see if the elf can fly?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, we gotta go get our remote here.
Yeah, I'm ready to see if the elf can fly.
Okay. When I tell you go, push this button.
Yes.
Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Ready.
Steady, go. Wow!
It can't fly.
Whoa. And there it goes, fast. Oh man, he just flew right off there, huh? Lollipop, no. Are you okay, Lollipop?
Are you okay?
He looks pretty fine to me.
Yeah.
All right, so.
I think I can tell by that smile.
Yeah, you
that
tell
one.
by that smile.
Yeah, and I can tell, but by that smile that Lollipop always keeps.
Yeah. All right, so we just gotta be careful that we don't step on them when we're walking around, huh?
Yep.
All right, guys, that's it for today's video. We did our Lego Advent Calendar. We got a battle droid, and we saw our elf fly. Or was it flying or falling with style?
It maybe falling style.
Maybe falling with style.
And it just fell right at the side like this.
It did. It just fell right down. All right, guys, we'll see you next time. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.